What's going on, guys? Cody from MotorcycleMD. In this video, we'll be trying a little experiment out with a repair on a master cylinder. Oftentimes on the older bikes, when you have a hydraulic master cylinder that looks like this, due to age and sometimes baking in the sun for decades, these sight glasses go bad on these master cylinders. This is where you can look at the level or the color of the brake fluid that's inside. Now, Honda does not sell the part to replace that. That would honestly be kind of a liability because you don't want brake fluid to leak out of these things, get onto the paint because it will destroy it. But I did find on Amazon, there are sight glasses that you can just buy and hopefully replace. I have seen a few videos of this, but I want to try it for myself. This is off of a 85 VT 700C or something like that, and both the clutch master and the brake master look like that. It's disgusting. And I've seen many times when I go to put new fluid in these things and use them, they eventually start to seep out and leak. Again, we don't want that. If you are new to the channel, welcome. We do videos on motorcycle repair and builds and project bikes and all different sorts of things. Being a Honda technician for over 10 years, as my day job, I have a little bit of an edge on what things we should do properly to maintain and enjoy our bikes for the long run. If you want to learn more about how to maintenance and take care of your bike on a consistent basis, things that you can do in your own garage with your own hands, I have a course. It's the Rents to Ride course in the description. You can pick that up. It's totally free. 40 plus videos on how to properly maintain your bike. Again, totally free. Don't miss out on it. It's in the description below. And a quick update on ways that you can help support MotorcycleMD. I just updated the store, and guess what? The old school original MotorcycleMD shirts are now back in stock. Different colors, variations, the original print that sold out so quick. It's back in the store. Check that out in the description. I also have hoodies and hats. Just came out, 5 panels. You guys know how I like my hats. Maybe you like the same thing, but regardless, if you are familiar with the shirts or you have purchased, thank you guys so much for that support. But this brand shirt I think is a lot better, a little bit more heavy duty, and the collar does not wear out like the other ones did. I love having perfectly fitting shirts and hoodies and stuff, so I wanted to pick the best stuff. It's all available now. I'm excited to get it out there. But enough being said, let's get into the video. Let's destroy this master cylinder. So first things first, let's see if we can't pop that old glass out. From the research that I have done, there should be a rubber O-ring behind it. That glass, plexi, whatever they use there, is encased in like an aluminum casing. So we're just going to punch that stuff out of there. See if we can find a good, healthy spot for this to be held at. Okay, let's try this first with a little bit of a punch on the meaty aluminum side. That was easy. Looks like the metal casing is staying in, unless we can get it out. Alright, sweet. Alright, there's part of it. We're not out of the woods yet. We have the guts out. We still have that metal piece at the material, the glass, we'll just call it glass. I'm not sure really what it is. There's the backing window right there. And there's the O-ring that we can see right behind that casing. We have to get the casing out still. So I'm going to try to just go in through the front with a flathead screwdriver, see if I can just pry that casing out. You need to find a good macro lens that can zoom. Any of you glass guys out there, when it comes to cameras, a macro lens that can zoom, which takes in good lighting, let me know. I'm just going to come in right here. Pry that out. Be careful not to damage that. It actually came out pretty easily. Sweet, there's that casing. And there's our O-ring. Beautiful. Now we'll spend some time making sure this is all clean, right? We'll just get all of that brushed out, any contaminants that are in there, clean it the best we can, and hopefully install this new window without a hitch. And like I said, guys, I just got these off of Amazon. I'm an Amazon consumer as well, when I can be. New inspection window, The reviews seemed good. That sounds like glass to me. I don't know, maybe not. But it's clear. Has a nice casing on it. It comes with the O-rings that need to go behind it. And I got a couple of them. I think it was like 12 bucks for 5 or 6 of these things. So hopefully it's the right size. I think they're 18 millimeter. Yeah, that's the right size. Sweet. Can't seem to get down that back ledge of it. Grab me some steel wool. Alright, feels good. The dark spots I can't seem to get to go away, but I don't feel like anything. Cool. Go ahead and lay this thing sideways. The other reason why I bought a couple, because I wasn't too sure on how I'm going to press this thing in. Or if it's going to go in where it's tight enough where I'll trust it, right? The O-ring does seem to fit really nicely on the back side, but my really main concern is to put it on the inside, which seems to, so I think these are 18 millimeter. Yeah, it's definitely 18 millimeter. This is very, very common. You'll see this on most of any ATV or motorcycle. If you want to check it real quick with like a veneer caliper, don't be afraid to, so you don't make any mistakes, right? This reads 17.8. It's definitely 18 millimeter. Alright, so no real orientation of it. We're just gonna go for it. Definitely will need to be kind of tapped in there. I don't know if I'm gonna break the glass or not. What if we use this old one? Use the old one? Let's see. I would say like use a socket, but I mean that fits pretty well. That's a 14 millimeter. Let's see how it does. 14 millimeter socket. I would say let's just use some heat and heat this bad boy up and put this in the freezer or do whatever, but we got rubber we're dealing with that O-ring, so can't really do that. Make sure that this is nice and straight and it will go in straight. I mean, this is a pretty tight fit. Let's see. We're a little uneven right now. Still a little uneven. Let me flip this around and go on just this side. Nope, I don't like that. See that ledge? I didn't go in very even. No problem. That's why when you're trying something new, you should buy 2, right? That's the rule. I'm just gonna pop this back out. I just don't trust it. I do not want this thing to leak, and if I bent the casing or... Alright, round 2. Honestly, it's probably fine. I probably could have just sent it, you know, but... If you wanted to put a little, like, .4 brake fluid here, this might help for a little bit of lubrication, but... Alright, let's try this again. The rim of this is perfectly flush with that glass. I'm wondering... I also have, like, a rubber mallet, but... I mean, what am I just gonna whack on it? I just don't like that. I'd rather like hit on top of this. It's a little bit straighter. I really just want it to be flush with the case of the master cylinder. A little bit more over here. Man, it looks like it's a little beat on the rim of that. But, I mean, we're in there, and that thing is tight. It's nice and flush all the way around. You can tell there's a little bit of markings on it, on that little rim, but it's totally flush with that now. And it looks awesome. Compared to what it was, man, come on. You see that O-ring down in there, that black O-ring. It looks nice and even. I'd say it's a win. It's like a brand new master cylinder. No more of that yellowing garbage that looks like crap. That's a nice, clean little upgrade. Easy to do, guys. I mean, cheap part on Amazon, and that one worked. I don't know which one I did. If you ask me which one, I don't know. Just go on Amazon and find you one with a couple of reviews on it, you know, normal Amazon stuff, and smack it in. That was super easy. What a solid upgrade to a master cylinder, an old one. Most cases when I've seen this before, you either gotta replace the whole thing, because I just didn't know that that existed until like a week or two ago. I want to show you guys that it's possible. Now you can add a little flair to your rebuilds if it is cracking or leaking. In the past, what I've done is I've just dug that stuff out and I use like some JB weld or what's that, steel weld stuff, and you just put like your finger there and pack it all in there, make it look nice and flush, but then it's gray, or you can paint it black. I've done that before, but that's way better. Again, Amazon fine. I think it was 12 bucks. I'm stoked. But that's it, guys. Super easy, quick video. I have a lot of cool stuff planned this year coming up, guys. A lot of different projects and videos to work on. I'll give you a little teaser of one. Hi-ya! XL 185, a new dirt bike for me, and that thing is locked up. We had to go all the way through it. But yeah, if you like this type of content, stuff I just showed you, and even wouldn't be interested in watching a 185 motor get torn down and figured out what the hell happened to that thing, subscribe to the channel, join the mailing list in the description below. Do not forget to grab that free course on how to maintenance your bike. It's been super helpful. And if you need any carburetor help, I have loads of videos on the website in the description below. If you need some more one-on-one help with your bike, be sure to check out the Inner Circle membership and join the community page where we can talk and discuss your bike. Looking forward to see you guys there. As always, Cody from MotorcycleMD, bringing you guys some quality tips and tricks for your next build or your daily rider. See you next time. Later.